Got my placement through help from my academic advisor. So in our second year we had to do a 6-week work placement. I knew that I wanted to do it in marketing. So on placement, day-to-day tasks involve things like learning how to use a camera properly. Then we'd start doing product photography shoots and with models, which was good fun. We also started learning about email marketing.
Lucy's had a pretty big impact on our marketing department as a whole. She's brought fresh ideas, new kind of outlooks on how we should be communicating with customers. Placement students get involved with a whole number of things, trying to break that stereotype and mould of being a T-boy or T-girl. You're given the tools and the responsibility that you need to grow, which also has a massive impact on Kitlocker being able to service more customers. We've got a long line of customers that we'd want to service better, but sometimes it's difficult to do that due to the volume of it, especially around certain times of year. So being able to offset that with new staff, new placement students is massive for us in recruiting new customers and then obviously keeping them for life, like moving forward. Through the years of having placement students, which I think we're probably 7 or 8 years into having placement students now from Hallam, there's never been one where we've been worried about them speaking to a customer on behalf of Kitlocker.